Hey there, art enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of sketching and watercolor, especially focusing on how to create a stunning piece featuring the Yvorie Castle from France. So let's get started. To start, we'll be sketching the castle using a pencil. And I'll be using the pencils to sketch, and I made the grids, and which will help you to maintain your lines neatly. And remember that it's always a good idea to sketch lightly at first, as you can always go over your lines later. For today's project, I'll be using the combination of sketching and watercolor technique to bring this beautiful castle to life. And I'll be sharing some tips and tricks along the way to help you achieve the best results. Once you have sketched the castle, it's time to start painting. And I'll be using the combinations of watercolor paints and the paintbrush to bring the castle to life. Remember, when painting with watercolor, it is important to work from light to dark, as it's easier to add more color than to remove it. That's the very best tips, and it's really happened to me when I start my sketching first. I don't put the light color, and I try to put the strong pigments, and all my painting had got ruined. For today's project, I use yellow ochre and then Prussian blue and black. And according to the places that I need to add the color, I try to add more water and less water to create the different types of the same color. But you can see that once you use the different amount of water, the color pigment can show in different way. And I try to draw that and sketch it in my own way. So if you have been watching my video, you can see that I use this type of like colors, and like I try to do that in my style. Once you finish painting the castle, it's time to add some final touches, and I'll be using a paintbrush to add some shadows and highlight to the castles, and which will give it a more realistic look, as you can see it in the picture. So for the roof of the castle, I'm not going to paint the whole roof again. I will use some lines, and then that lines brought the picture comes to life. You have it, a stunning sketch of the Yvorie Castle, created using a combination of sketching and watercolor technique. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more amazing art. See you!